Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful handcrafted neem soap that has amazing skin benefits. I was making my own soaps from scratch and also crafting them till few years back. Soaps made at home are done using cold process method. The process involves mixing an oil with lye, which is nothing but sodium hydroxide mixed with water. Then it is beaten together till it thickens. This process is called tracing, and then it is poured into molds to set and cure. I also tried transparent soap making at home, which is actually dangerous in my opinion, as we are dissolving the soap in alcohol by boiling both the soap and alcohol covered with a thick plastic sheet. I really enjoyed soap making, but the only problem was the lye. When we mix water with sodium hydroxide to make the lye, it produces fumes, and it doesn't agree with everyone, and is especially not advisable during pregnancy. So once I got pregnant, I stopped making soaps completely. Nowadays, we get both regular and transparent soap bases easily in the markets, and I've crafted my soaps using a store-bought transparent soap base. But if you want me to do it from scratch, let me know in the comment section below. I'll make a video separately for it. Soap crafting is an art and is really fun, and I promise you'll enjoy it greatly. Usually, people add synthetic colors to craft their soaps, but I prefer fresh herb extracts as I want the soaps to both look beautiful and have skin benefits as well. First, take a handful of washed neem leaves in a mixer. Now add in a little bit of water. Now grind this mixture to a smooth paste. Now take the ground paste in a strainer and press to extract the fresh neem juice completely. Take approximately around 50 grams of transparent soap base and cut into small chunks using a sharp knife. Now take the cut soap in a cup and melt in a double boiler. Now to the melted soap base, add around 1.5 tablespoons of the freshly extracted thick neem juice. Now mix well with a whisk. Mixing will prevent a top layer forming in the melted soap. Now add in the contents of 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix well till all the ingredients are mixed well together. Now grease a plastic container with coconut oil and pour the melted neem soap base. Now leave it in the freezer to set for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the plastic container from the freezer and run a sharp knife around the edge of the soap and tap gently. The soap will easily come out. Now using a cookie cutter, cut out desired shapes. I have used a larger and a smaller flower cookie cutters to cut out the shapes. Now take few small plastic containers and oil them well with coconut oil. Now place the cutout soaps in each container to your liking. Freeze them again for half an hour. Now melt around 150 grams of transparent soap paste like before. Let cool slightly and add in the contents of 1 vitamin E capsule. You can also add few drops of neem essential oil or any essential oil of your choice at this stage. Mix well and pour over the frozen cutout soaps. If the soaps are not frozen well, or if the soap base is very hot, the cutout soaps will start melting immediately. So make sure that the soaps are frozen well and that the soap base is not very hot to touch. Once the transparent soap is poured over the cutout soaps, freeze again for 15 to 20 minutes and remove them by running a sharp knife around the edges. Your homemade soap is ready to be used. Handcrafted soaps are beautiful to look at, and I would suggest involving your kids in the process and make the soaps using the favorite animal shapes. I have used neem extract only for the cutout soaps, but you can reverse it and use plain transparent soap base for the cutouts and neem soap for pouring on top. Since neem has antibacterial and skin brightening properties, this soap will greatly prevent skin infections and will keep your skin bright and blemish free. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.